Hi, welcome to another episode of Trini Bites. Today I'm going to make roast duck. A couple of our subscribers asked how we make our roast duck, so I'm going to show them today my version of the roast duck. This is my ingredients here that I have. I have a little bit of olive oil I'll need. I have 2 tablespoons of green seasoning. Of course, it has my favorite bandania, garlic, and green onions, and also onion. We got some salt, chili pepper, paprika, garlic powder, and the seasoning pimento. I also have a Maggi cube and a lemon and my black pepper here. Now this is a duck, weighs about 5 pounds, and what I did is I soaked this for about an hour with vinegar and water just to get the freshness out. And I wash it out and I take most of the fine feathers out. Coming out, I don't know if you can still see how clean and nice it is. Okay, so this is the duck, already cleaned, looking nice. And my first process is to put some olive oil so that the seasoning will stick onto it. Duck has a lot of oil, comes out from the fat, but you won't get it outside for the seasoning to stick on it. So now I'm going to baste it with the seasoning. This has to marinate overnight. I'm going to put it in this tray and let it marinate overnight, and then tomorrow I'll put it in the oven. Okay, so this is seasoned here already. I'm just going to make the second set of seasoning. I'm going to get the salt first. One tablespoon of salt, also the black pepper. You can sprinkle, you don't need to measure this one. Chili powder, and paprika. Garlic powder, and this is the Maggi cube. And to break it in pieces and just mix it up all the way inside there. Mix that up. Okay. Now, gonna paste it again. Turn it over. It's looking tasty already. Hasn't reached the oven yet, but Okay, just put the last bit in. I'm going to put it in this tray, cover it with a piece of foil. Just going to marinate for 24 hours in the refrigerator. Alright, so we're going to cover it with a piece of foil. Alright, tomorrow I'm going to make the stuffing for it. So I can stuff the inside of the duck. And I'll show you how to make that tomorrow as well. And be back in about 24 hours. So my duck has been marinating for 24 hours in the fridge. Wow, look at that. Look at that. It's gonna taste really, really good. What I also did is I made some, I boiled some potatoes and mashed it up. I also boiled some carrots. I'm gonna make all the stuffing with this to put this inside of the duck. And I also have the pineapple. You don't have to put pineapple if you don't have to. If you don't want to, sorry. But I like the pineapple juice in the tray together with the carrots. And I'll sprinkle a little bit of pepper on top of it. So what I'm going to do is season the potato, mashed potato. The salt and black pepper. Right, that should be good. So it's a very hot day in Toronto, and the only thing that quench your waters is stag. Water is not good for you. The stag is good.
It's the same water I'm drinking. Cheers.
Okay, so I'm gonna stuff the duck with the mashed potato I've made into. You don't have to do it with the stuffing. You can just do it plain. Okay, we're almost done here. Right. So I'm gonna throw the pineapple juice in. Put the carrots in. I'm also gonna now put the duck in. Save a couple pieces for on top of the duck. And I also melted a tablespoon of butter. I'm going to paste on top of the duck. The rest of pineapple will go on top. Look at the beauty of that. Alright, so the lemon that I showed you, need a few slices. Should be good enough as well. There's many recipes, different ways, you know, to do the duck, but this is the way I do it. And of course, don't forget the bandania in the seasoning. Alright, that's it. I'm just going to preheat the oven to 400 degrees. When it's preheated, I'm going to leave it there for 1 hour. Check it and then see how it goes, and we'll start cooking. So I preheated the oven at 400. So I'm going to put it in. So the duck has been roasting for 1 hour. Let's check it out. The oven. See how things go there. That's some heat. Nicely. It's beautiful. Put some of the sauce in it. Oh, it's smelling really, really nice. Okay, still cooking again, so I'll be back in about next half an hour again. So hour and a half, I'm gonna check it and see. It's coming along nicely. Take a look at this. Wow, look at that. It's beautiful. But still need a lot of cooking. I think it need at least about another half an hour to 45 minutes. The ducks take longer than a chicken, eh? Oh yeah, look at that, bubbling nice there, man. Beautiful. Alright, let it cook again. Step by step as we go along. And if you look here, again, my wife made some noodles. Soon I will show you guys in a recipe how to do it. That's to eat with a duck. And Chris is doing some barbecue outside. So as I said before, this is a long process. It's been 2 hours now. It's been roasting in the oven. And let's see. Oh, look at that. I think this is almost done. So I'll take out some of the gravy. Let's let this dry now. Okay, that's gonna dry down now. And look at that, the oil came out. Lots of oil.
Alright, so how long are you waiting back again?
So I'm gonna leave it and keep checking it. I think it probably have about half an hour to 45 minutes again. I changed the temperature to 375 so it wouldn't burn on top. Okay, so it's looking good there now, and let's give it a half an hour again and see. So 2 hours and 20 minutes, let's see. Still leave the oven on. Look at this. So remove the pineapple. Now it's hot. So I'm going to at least put it back for another 15-20 minutes and see what's happening, because still in a little cooking. But the duck needs, like, I like to cook it good, so you know, it wouldn't be like any blood or anything leaking from inside. So I'm going to put it back for another 20 minutes. Okay, so after 2.5 hours, I think it's done. Check it out. Oh yeah, this is done. So this has to cool down before I cut it up, otherwise it's going to break up into pieces. So I'm going to let it cool down for at least 15-20 minutes, and then we start eating. Okay, so that's the roast duck, and let's try it. Set. That's it there. The bone is a little harder than the chicken. Oh, this is good. Taste there. Okay, let's do a taste. See how it is. Oh, comes out. Wow. This is good. All I need is some pepper, and it's good. Try this recipe. It's good. You can eat this with anything. So I'd like to give a big shout out to one of our subscribers, Nadia Mongol. Big up to you. And also check out Island Life with Sunil. He has a lot of dishes. He cooks. He has a channel on YouTube. Check him out. He and his wife, they cook everything you can think about. Alright? And another big up again to my boy, out and about with trouble. And Sunil, I have the stag calling. I know your madam like the stag, so it's briskly cold in the fridge. Okay? So I'd like to big up as well Shirl's Kitchen Mashup. Let me see if I say that correct again. Shirl's Kitchen Mashup. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.